Greetings, everyone. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to give you another example of how the Act sidebar works with Act. So I want you to observe over here on the right-hand side, when I added Fred Flintstone to my Act database, which I showed you in the previous video, I did not put in a zip code right here. And to show you that, I'm going to go back into Act, and I'm using Act Premium Cloud, and I'm going to come right here, and I want you to see there's no zip code. So let's do this. Let's put in a zip code, bunch of ones. I'm going to go up and click on Save. Now, I've entered a zip code here. Let's go back to Outlook for a moment. What I want you to observe is there is no zip code here in this contact in the Act sidebar. But this is what I'm going to do. Here is an email that I sent to myself. I'm going to click on it, and then after I click on it, I'm going to go back to this email, and I want you to observe that the ones are there. So that's how quickly the information can be transferred between these two tools, between Act Premium Cloud and the Act sidebar. So this is one of the advantages of some of the newer versions and some of the updates that work with Act. And you might find this is a little tool that makes thinking about updating your Act worth every penny. So let's take it a step further. I want you to observe that over here, there's no website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type this in. I'm going to type in flintstone.com. At this point, there are 3 sections here. And what you have to do after you enter information in is you have to click on Save Changes. So I'm going to do that. So I typed in the website. There's a little bar that popped up down below, and that shows me that the changes have been saved. Let's go back over to Act. You'll notice that there is no website here at all, nothing right there. But what I have to do is I have to refresh the screen. And if I come up and refresh this contact, and I could have done the F5 key, now all of a sudden there's flintstone.com. So that's how quickly the information travels back and forth. And this is really nice because it allows you to quickly enter contacts. If the contact is already there and you get an email from the contact, you can then do some other things. You can scroll down, you can add some actions like an activity, you can put some things in the address book, you can do a quick attach to attach this email either to Mr. Flintstone or to other people. You can see a record of history and notes. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Be well. Bye now.